Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl. Okay, we are going to dive right into the Mr. Nola's Glitters Wanderlust box from July 2021. We have our crystal stalagmite mold. Okay, we're going to do that. And we're also going to do the Druzy heart mold. And when I say do them, we are going to fill them with resin and colorants. And for the stalagmite mold, I did the water test on these. This one holds about 2 ounces. This one holds about 1 ounce. So I'm going to mix up, actually I'm going to mix up a little more than 3 ounces just to make sure I have enough, and split a couple ounces off into 4 cups, half an ounce each approximately, and mix in each of the 4 shards of glitter we got in this month's box. Selenite, desert rose, jasper, and fluorite. They are stunningly gorgeous, and I think they're going to be beautiful in resin. And we are going to mix them up into 4 pots of resin and put them in this mold, and then demold it and put our tea light in and see how it looks. So that's one project. And then over here, I'm going to use alcohol inks in here. We'll put clear resin into the mold, and then I'm going to drop in some of these. Are all wow, these are all Ranger colors. Greens and blues. I have Everglades, Aqua, Laguna, and Glacier. And then I'm going to top it off with some white alcohol ink. This is the Let's Resin alcohol ink in deeper white. So it's a sinker. It's called a sinker alcohol ink. It will drop down and take the colors with it. We may do a little stirring, and then we'll see how that turns out. Okay? So this should, I always say this should be straightforward, and then I'll have some sort of problem along the way. But sit back and enjoy the show, because here we go. I am going to use KS Liquid Art resin for this project. And we're back. Okay, everything has set up. Let's see how these turned out. I'm really excited to see how these look. Not sure about this one. It might, well, let's demold and see what we got. That is so cool. Look at that. I mean, there's the Druzy pattern in the middle, but look at all the white, the spores. This is the petri dish method, and the colors all blended together, but that's actually okay. I wish you could see better the sparkle factor of the Druzy in the middle. Let's see if I can get a close up for you. Maybe if we take it out in bright sunlight, which we're supposed to have today, I'll be able to show you better how it sparkles. But I love the white spores. Look at that. That is so cool. That, I found some of the ink, the white ink that I use, the alcohol ink, the Let's Resin Deeper. I actually found some, so I will link it below if you want to try this or any of the alcohol swirl methods that I've done. And I always reference the Let's Resin White in C Deeper. That is the best ink I've found for getting swirls, or in this case, getting the white to drop in a petri dish method. So I'll link that below. But that turned out beautifully. I love it. I absolutely love it. Stalagmite. I have some bubbles. I was going to hit this with some alcohol, spritz it with alcohol at the end, but I decided not to because I didn't want to hit this one with alcohol and ruin what I thought was a pattern I'd put on the back. Well, I don't think it would have mattered. Ooh, that actually got stuck in there. Well, that's, ooh, multiple places. I hit this with mold release too. I don't know about this. We may not be able to get it out. Look at that. That is stuck in there. Well, this may be a one-use mold. Beware, people. It pinches your resin. Come on. Wow. Time for reinforcements. Okay, let's see if some sudsy water will help. My hand arthritis is not happy right now, so I'm gonna take all the help I can get. Well, it's, wow, it really wants to come out except for those places where it's pinched. I think they need a better design for this mold. I was hoping soapy water would work. Wow, that is really stuck. Oh, yay, there we go. Come on, you can do it. Let go. Let go. Yay! Okay. There it is. Wow, that is stunning. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. I mean, it was worth the struggle. Definitely worth the struggle. I don't think I ripped the mold, although it's questionable. But oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. And all of our glitters from this box are in there. That is just beautiful. All right, you know what I'm gonna do next? I'm not gonna take this out in the sunlight, although that would be kind of cool. So maybe we'll do that too. But I'm gonna take this into my little dark room and put the tea light in it and turn it on, and we'll see what that looks like through the sides, because I bet that's going to be beautiful. And then we'll take it out in the sunshine. So stay tuned.